You've just bought a new desktop, or maybe your laptop needs an upgrade. Either way, you need to install Windows 10 on your computer. In this tutorial, I'm going to tell you all you need to know to install Windows 10. For this installation, you need a USB flash drive of at least 8 GB and a working Windows computer. First, head over to the Media Creation Tool webpage. The link is in the description. Then scroll down and click Download Tool Now. After that, click Open. Once the window opens up, you'll be greeted with this screen. Select the Create Installational Media option and click Next. After that, make sure the Use Recommended Options box is ticked and click Next again. Finally, we get to the Select Flash Drive window. The flash drive you select here will be the drive the installational media installs on, and all of the data on this drive will be deleted. Great. Wait a couple of minutes for this to finish, and when it's done, you'll be halfway done installing Windows. Now, restart your computer and hold down the boot options key. If you don't know what key your computer uses, a quick Google search will give you the answer. In my case, it's F12. Now scroll down until you get to the flash drive you have just worked on and press Enter. After a few moments, you will come to this screen. If the default options are good, click Next. Then click Install Now. Now you come to the product key page. If you don't know your product key or don't have one, press I don't have a product key. Then select the version of Windows you want to install. Then click Next. Now agree to the terms and click Next once again. Now select the Custom Install. At this point, if you have any partitions on the drive like me, select them one by one and delete them. When you are left with one unallotted area, select New. This will be the partition Windows installs on. Then click Next. We're almost finished now. Wait a few minutes for this to install. If you got this far, the rest is smooth sailing. When prompted with this screen, remove your flash drive from the computer. Here comes the fun part. After a few more minutes of waiting, the blue narrative screen will come up. Select your language and keyboard layout and then select Next. Skip the second keyboard layout. After a few more seconds, you'll be prompted to add your Microsoft account. Type in your email and password. When that's done, select Create a PIN. Enable or disable each of the privacy settings based on your choosing. Click Skip on the Customize Experience screen. If you want to connect your phone, do it here, but I'm choosing no thanks. I'm also going to select Only Save Files to this PC. Then either accept or reject your free trial and likewise select or reject Cortana. Now we're essentially finished. Just wait a few more minutes for Windows to do a bit more programming, and before you know it, you'll be in the UI. Click the Windows icon and then click Settings. Then go to Update and Security and click Check for Updates. After about an hour and a couple of restarts, you'll be up to date. If this video was helpful, give me a thumbs up. If you want to watch more content like this, subscribe. And if you want to continue watching, click one of these two videos up here.